So let's analyze the price for tomorrow. So daily time frame पे हमें दिख रहा है कि price opened right here and then the sellers pushed the price aggressively down and closed at the bottom. So ये candle में completely दिख रहा है कि previous 3 days have been engulfed by this red candle, which is a very strong sign of bearishness. So tomorrow we can expect these aggressive sellers to enter again if price moves up or if price tries to continue down. अभी 15 मिनट्स पे देखेंगे तो वी कैन सी कि 15 मिनट्स हैज आल्सो फॉर्म्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सेल साइड अग्रेशन एंड प्राइस मूव्ड एंड क्लोज्ड एट द बॉटम मोस्ट पोजीशन. और अगर वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल भी देखेंगे तो प्राइस kept on moving lower and has created a value area right here with point of control at the bottom. So इसमें भी दिख रहा है कि प्राइस ओपन होने के बाद it moved down to find value and it kept accepting these prices. This was the value where the previous day money was there. यहाँ पे भी prices accept होते हुए buyers नहीं आए and then price kept on moving down accepting the lower levels and it kept moving till 82,300. So volume profile shows कि these levels are all aggressive sell zones यहाँ पे. So tomorrow we will have a sell side bias. Now going on to the 5 minutes, I have a few levels which I have drawn, which is the previous day high, previous day low. This is the point of control. This is one level which is 82,800 और ये एक level है 82,987. ये एक level है 83,440. So our plan for tomorrow will be to sell. Price यही कहीं पे open होती है. It starts to move up. Then we will wait for price to hit this level or this level. और यहाँ पे अगर selling दिखता है then we will go for a sell side trade about to break this level. और उसके बाद continuation मिलता है नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन at least we can aim for this target which is the previous day low. So अगर यहाँ से आता है this can be a target or else if price moves up this can be a target. Let's say अगर price ऊपर जाते हैं we enter over here and price moves up and then moves upside and hits our stop loss. Then we will accept one stop loss and stop the trading for the day. क्योंकि अगर प्राइस यहाँ से ऊपर कंटिन्यू करती है we are not interested because these are all levels dominated by the aggressive sellers. So किसी भी point से price can move down. So our bias will be to take only one trade around this level or this level. और यहाँ से अगर aggressive selling आती है then we will stay in the trade. और अगर प्राइस ओपन होने के बाद ही प्राइस मूव्स डाउन देन वी विल वेट फॉर सम पुल बैक और सम कंसोलिडेशन लाइक अ वैल्यू फॉर्मेशन और उसके ब्रेकडाउन पे वी कैन सेल फॉर दिस टारगेट ऑफ 81,780 800 अराउंड. लेकिन यहाँ से कंटिन्यूशन वाला ट्रेड वुड बी अ लो प्रोबेबिलिटी ट्रेड. सो आइदर आई वुड अवॉइड दिस ट्रेड completely or else take this trade with very small quantity for this target. Other than that gap down open होता है I won't be trading and I will just observe the price at least till 10:30 11 o'clock. क्योंकि उसके बाद most probably price would stay sideways and there won't be much momentum. Can be price might move down lower but this is not a high probability scenario for me, so I won't trade this.